Sadly, today we're not gonna have a why are you on the side of the street? Sadly, we're not gonna have an intro today. You know, I have to cut back on using the old intro, and I have to finish the new one. So hopefully, I can get that out. Maybe after this update, because we hit 1K subs. Don't get ahead of yourself now. 10K, that would be amazing. But you know, let's see if we can get to 1K and 25 or 1K and 10, bro. Anything above, bro, I'm just happy we got 1K. Clap to y'all, bro. The code is already in the update place. Another thing, Venom Demon, you can turn it off, turn it on. It upgrades Chloroball and Poison Gas. Sadly, I don't want to make it change Hydra, because Hydra is already... I don't want you to be able to use Hydra in Venom Demon, but that could change later on. But for now, it's just Chloroball and Poison Gas, because they already have the pool, which does big damage, plus those two moves, you know. So shut up. Armor gotta rework, kinda. You know, it gives HP still, but it also has special moves. All of them do. What I really wanted to talk about today. First, I wanted to say thank you again. You know, 1K subs. And 2, I want to talk about some. Quan suggested I give some advice for new devs. All right, so I want to say this for any new dev. You're not gonna become great from the start. You're not gonna be good immediately. Okay, so when you get that in your head, you know, not everybody is gonna become the next Vetex or Snake World or all these devs that make you're not gonna be the next Carrot Bros just because, you know, you started coding and you made something really cool. You know, you have to. It takes a lot of experience and time. Stop messaging me. It takes a lot of experience and time. It's like I don't know. It's like any other thing you want to do, you know. It's gonna take time if you want to get good at it. You know, it's like you can say it's like a relationship. You know, you have to put the effort in for it to work. Is that a good metaphor? I don't know. I have to go to school in a bit, so I'm gonna keep this short. Yes, you're not gonna be successful immediately. What you have to do is keep going. Make a YouTube channel. Post your creations. Post your stuff you make, so you can always look back and, you know, see, you know, and plus with the YouTube channel, that's also a good way to grow a following. You're gonna need people, because for your games to be noticed, you need players. You know, you need to grow a following. I didn't know this at first, but I just had a YouTube channel for animations. But then I started Roblox, and I was like, hey, maybe I can post my Roblox stuff here. And I posted it, and it started growing the channel more. So not only do I do animations, music, now, and I also do Roblox now. I don't do scripting tutorials anymore because we have album blocks for that, you know. We have album blocks. If I have to help you with something, you know, I'll probably try, but that's all. Number one, you wanna take the time to learn the basics. The basics will help you with everything you do. The basics is important. You know, most people start art, they just start drawing and think, hey, you know, if I keep drawing, I'm gonna be better. You're gonna need the basics. You know, you gotta know how the head shape is. You gotta know how the arm is, how the proportion stuff, and from there you can simplify it into your own style. What the hell? You can simplify it into your own style, and that's how it usually is. That's how most people get to where they are. That's how you can get to where you are. You know, Vetex has this building style, you know, where it's like it's close to like, it's fantasy like is what I would call it. It's like a fantasy. And Carrot Bros, they have like, I don't know, they put a lot of detail into everything. Most devs do, but some keep it simplified. Other, like, you know, some keep it simplified, some put extra detail. Which plus you might want to, and I don't want to keep ranting over some dumb shit. Another thing you might want to look at, you know, practice makes perfect. Keep doing it. When I first started, I was in studio and I didn't even have internet. I had to steal internet to get into studio to just make one small update. And, you know, I kept doing it. It was just, you know, you might feel stuck at first and like you're like, I don't know what I'm doing. Nobody did. You're not alone. So if anybody tries to put you down for trying to learn, you don't forget them. You don't need them. Don't let them get into your head. Forget that, because people told me, oh, you don't even know what a variable is. No, nigga, I never scripted before. That's why I'm asking you. But that dummy didn't want to help, so I did it myself. It's like I pick up the pen and I started writing. Skibbity wibbity hibbity. You know, something like that. But with scripting, you know, I just picked up the studio and I started typing. You know, I would steal games and I would read the scripts and try to remake them until it became knowledge. You know, the wiki is hard for me, so I had to make my own monkey analogy for it, monkey explanation. So script that parent, you know, you're getting the thing of the thing. You know, find first child, you're finding the thing that has find the first thing with that specific name, you know. And yeah, it's all of that. You just gotta make it make sense to you. It's another thing you can do. And try talking to other devs as well. There might be something you can't do and they can. You know, y'all talk. Like, I didn't know how to make R6 characters resize until I found this One Piece online copy dude. And I said, hey, you know, let me look at One Piece online. And then I looked in it and I saw that Buddha had a resize script, and that's how I made the Buddha for my game. You know, it's basically the same thing, but I tweaked it a little. You know, R15, it'll be easier to resize, but some people, I prefer R6 because, I don't know, it's just less limbs. But in the future, I want to I have an R15 magic game, but it was a rushed game. Like, I just wanted to see if I can do it, and I did it. But yeah, what time is it? 11:19. We have time. So another thing we already talked about, you know, you're not gonna get it in the first try. Practice makes perfect. And oh, here's the thing that you guys like doing. You like going in for the most complicated shit when you're just a beginner. Come on now. Don't do that. Don't do that. You need experience, man. You can't just go in and expect to make a whole Detroit smash just because, you know, you made a friggin' fireball. Come on now. Keep elevating your mind. You know, stick to what you're good at. Because if you try to do something you can't, it's just gonna upset you're gonna be upset. Because I used to try to do stuff I couldn't, and then when I told the people, hey, I can't really do that, so I have to hold off on it, you know, I feel bad because I told them, hey, and I showed a damn sneak of it, you know. I'm like, you know, and there are other points I can make, you know. If you want a part 2 to this or something, 5 likes. That's the first time I ever asked for likes. Ooh, 5 likes, guys. Okay, yeah, 5 likes and I'll make part 2 or live stream it or something, so that way it's live. Because I like live streaming now. I can live stream on my phone. But yeah, I'm gonna finish Mink. I'm gonna post a sneak video of Mink. What else? I should do a sneak video of Poison so everybody can see how it works. If you want to see that, 5 likes and comment below Poison/Mink showcase, and I'll make that. But yeah, thank you for the 1,000. Hope we can grow some more. Keep growing, 1,010. Oh, that would be awesome. But new intro coming soon. All of that and all that funky stuff. Funky shit, like Dr. Dre would say. We out here from Compton. I'm not from Compton, so I'm not from Compton. But you know who is? It rhymes with wizard. But yeah, I'm out.